Many companies use cloud storage services to keep files accessible and organized. While cloud storage is convenient, it's often mistaken for a full backup solution. Understanding the difference is critical if you want to truly protect your data. Cloud storage is designed for access and collaboration, not long-term recovery. Backup solutions are built to restore data after mistakes, failures, or attacks. Here are a few key differences every organization should understand. Accidental deletion. With cloud storage, when a file is deleted, it often syncs that deletion everywhere. If the file passes its retention window, it may be gone permanently. A proper backup keeps historical versions, allowing you to restore files even days or weeks later. Ransomware and security events. Cloud storage will happily sync encrypted or corrupted files caused by ransomware. This means the damaged version replaces the good one. Backup systems create protected copies that can't be altered, allowing you to recover clean data after an attack. Versioning and long-term retention. Most cloud storage platforms offer limited version history. Backup solutions are designed for long-term retention, compliance needs, and full system recovery, not just individual files. Account lockouts and service outages. If your cloud account is suspended, compromised, or the service experiences an outage, access to your data can be delayed or completely blocked. A dedicated backup stores copies outside of the primary platform, allowing you to recover your data even if the cloud service itself is unavailable. Cloud storage plays an important role in modern workflows, but it should never be your only line of defense. A true backup strategy ensures your data can be recovered when it matters most. If you have questions about protecting your data the right way, give our team a call. We are happy to help.